Hey guys, I want to quickly do this review before it gets dark. This is my review on the Baby It's Cold Outside Glam Vice palette. Realized I never did this. I filmed 2 Christmas looks with this, but I never actually did a swatch and review video like I like to do with my palettes. So I figured I'd take the time today to do so. So this is a palette of 9 shades. I'm sure you've seen it all over Instagram. If you're active on there, or you've seen it on here from where I filmed my 2 looks. And it does have a mirror. That's one thing I do like about it. It has a mirror at the top. It does have, well, now it does. It had this little slot. It had this little holster. I can't describe it. It's like a cardboard that held it shut. And it had the names on the back of the cardboard piece. I took the names off because it was like a peel off label. And I put them on the back of my palette because I got tired of fooling with that sleeve. Because with the sleeve, it was so hard to get the palette out. And I don't like labor when it comes to opening palettes. I mean, it should just be easy. It should just be able to open. So I took that off and I put my colors on the back, and I like it a lot better this way. Another perk, these pop out. If you can see those little holes beside each color, these colors pop out. So you can put them in another palette easily if you don't want this one. But I think the packaging is cute. I like the little design on the front. So I have no reason to want to pop these out at the moment unless I just run out of space for palettes, in which case I probably need to get rid of some. But let's get right into it. With the colors that are on the label, it tells you what type of texture it is. So ranging from matte to pressed glitter to shimmer to cream matte. Those are your only textures, and it pretty much tells you what each color is. So first color in the palette is called Very Merry. Now this, you would kind of think it would be a green, but it's not. It's a teal turquoisey color, and that's the color I'm actually wearing on my eyelids today. Swatches really nicely, applies so nicely, it's so buttery. It's one of those buttery mattes. It's not a super dry and hard matte like some matte eyeshadows can be. This one's really pretty. Color next to it I've never used at all. It's called Let It Snow. It's a pressed glitter, and it's, you know, a 3D glitter, I would best describe it as. Very pretty. Very similar in texture to the other glitter in the palette, which I'll get to soon. Next to that is called Sleigh Bells, and that is Slay, S-L-A-Y. It's a gold, and I'm not wearing this either on the eyes. However, I am wearing it as a cheek highlight. I think it works really nicely for that. So very versatile. Smooth shimmer, feels very buttery to the touch. Second row, Snowflake is a shimmer. This is more of a shimmery white shade. It leans slightly silver, so it's not quite white. I would say ivory maybe. Next to it is called Santa Baby. This is a cream matte. I've never come across this texture ever in life. It's either cream eyeshadow or it's either a matte eyeshadow. However, this puts both together. This is a cream matte, and it's just like it is. It's a very pigmented color that's matte looking, however it's a cream texture. Last color on the second row is called Marshmallow. This is a matte. I actually wore this as a brow highlight today. It looked like it could have possibly worked as a buffer shade, but it is lighter than me. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did actually use it today as a buffer shade and brow highlight. It kind of really helped diffuse the color in my crease so it wasn't super intense. Very smooth as well. Last row, first shade, which is called Candy Cane. It's a pressed glitter. Beautiful red glitter, so pretty. I have it on the lower inner tear duct area today. Also wore it in one of my Christmas looks, maybe 2 of them. I think just one of them. I don't know. Next to that is a matte dark teal. This is called Mistletoe. And it leans more green. It's not quite 100% teal, but it does have, you know, a little teal in it, but it leans more darker green. I would say more emerald. And then the last color in the palette is called Gingerbread, which is a matte. It's a matte reddish brown. I wore that in the outer and inner lid, and then also the lower lash line, stopping shy of the inner corner because in the inner corner is where I have the glitter. Great palette. Overall great palette. Really nice shades. Really affordable price. Anyways, I'm giving away one of these to you guys. All you have to do is just follow the rules below. Very quick and easy. It's nothing to, you know, nothing to stress over or anything. Just make sure if I choose you as a winner that you respond and you send me the information that I need, which is basically your mailing address. That's all I need. Information about how to enter will be down below. Very nice palette to have in your arsenal. I love it. It's not just a Christmas palette, even though it's perfect for holidays. Like, as you can see, I came up with something totally, you know, non-holiday-ish for this look, and which, by the way, will be up soon. It has some neutrals in there, some nice colors, even though they kind of stick to one, you know, a few colors rather than rainbowish. It's still, you know, it's pretty versatile, I think. And I love the mirror in there. Don't forget to rate the video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live. talk to all of you very soon. Thank you for watching.